We just put the hens out. First time out in like a long time. Problem is, the crazy thing is they're still molting. Still not completed the molt. Got a long way to go. They're full body molt, and then we've got the boys. They're higher up there. As you know, my phone's cracked. Can't see shit. But yeah, boys are up there. I don't know, catch it. Anyway. Didn't let all the girls out. Zoomed it up. Hopefully we catch some of them. Do what they do here. Zoom it up. See what we get. Pretty good. I don't know. I'm gonna catch it. I don't know. That's pretty good. Those males. Some females have gone up as well. Just flew 3 more. They're over here. It is zoomed. Where are they? Up there. That's nice. Those 5 males. I'll catch it. All good. Hens are fluttering about, which is great. Especially that red one, that's good. Yeah, the males are doing great. When that molt is completely done, it's going to be a good day. Catch it. They're up there nicely, like little bees. These hens are flying for the first time. Getting them out and about. The boys are doing amazing. Alright, that's cool. Once they fully molt properly, especially this one over here, obviously still it's got wing feathers missing.